Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Have a minute each, please.
Mr. Speaker, allow me to laud your ruling. I have listened to it carefully, to every word you have actually pronounced, and I got to say I was in agreement fully, in all matters of fact and in all matters of law. We cannot appeal against that ruling. I doubt whether we can even seek a review unless there are cogent grounds upon which we can do so. When it comes to decorum of the House, it is vitally important that we actually sustain the dignity of the House at all times. Of late, we have had members who are actually shouting unprintables across the aisle. And this is dangerous. It must be discouraged because at all times, we must preserve your seat. You are the seat of Parliament.
Okay, Kainan. 1 minute, so compose your words quickly.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we have been in the past Parliament. This ruling, I will say, is a Solomonic ruling. I may not agree with every bit of it because, as Jubilee, we expected you to declare as a parliamentary party.
I've given you 30 days.
But you have given us 30 days.
Yes.
That 30 days, and I want to apply to the mind of my good friend, the Honorable Wandai, that 30 days does not apply to Jubilee alone. Even Azimio must put its house in order, and Jubilee is one of the constituent parties that Azimio or ODM, by that extension, will not be allowed to dominate. Mr. Speaker, what I want to say is this. The reason why we are called August House is because this is a house of respect. This is a house of tolerance. This is a house of traditions. And therefore, each one of us must subscribe to this very tenet and respect the office of the Speaker. You have done something unprecedented. This is the first time I'm seeing the decision of the Speaker being discussed. I hope this is not going to lead us to something else that is going to be unprecedented. And finally, what I want to say is this. We as Jubilee, and Mr. Speaker, the ruling will have its own interpretation. My interpretation, now that you have opened this, that Azimio must put its house in order and accept the concerns of Jubilee. Jubilee, as a consensus party, must also put its house in order.
Thank you. Thank you. Honorable members, I want us to end here so that we go to other